Going on, guys? Today just gonna show off this Silver Eagle. This is the lettered edge 2016 that just came out. It's the proof. I got a PF70 NGC label. Well, yeah, NGC grading. I chose the black instead of the white, which I think really makes this coin pop. Got it from Modern Coin Mart. I was going to get the first day of release one, but they didn't have a label with that this eagle design on it, which I preferred. This is for me, it's not for resale, so I don't really care. So it's first releases. To be considered a first releases tag or label, whatever you would call it, it has to be made in the first 30 days of production. You can faintly see the 30th anniversary engraving on the edge there. I don't know if you can pick that up or not, but it is there. You can see it a little better in person. It's not perfect, but you can read it. Very nice coin. I'd highly suggest picking up one, especially before the price gouging starts later on. Yeah, that's my review on the PF70. Thanks for watching.